It's a me, your favorite barber of all the villa, Damiano, the best in the world. How you doing, huh? So guys, today we're revisiting the Suprent Hair Clippers. And if you remember when I reviewed these were incredible and they still are. No problems, no scratches, no rust, niente. They are excelente. So I probably use these every week, and believe it or not, I only charge them twice. That is right, only 2 times, and I cut my hair and my beard. I've even cut my father's hair and trimmed his beard with these. They are built to last. So with me, I like specific kind of sizes. So we have the Wahl clippers. We have the Diane brand attachments. And then we have the good old Speedo guide. Not to be confused with Steve-O, just Speedo. And 1/16 is my size of choice, guys. So originally, my problem was I had the cheap Wahl plastic attachment clips, and they were actually pinching the skin when I used it with this. So I needed another 1/16 that cuts razor sharp, and that is these, 1/16, 1.5 millimeters by a Wahl. Now don't get me wrong, the Suprent attachment clips are solid. They are great, but for some reason, the 1/16 didn't cut the skin as close as I would like. But as far as the other attachment clips, they're great. They don't pinch the skin, no problemo. And also, like the Speedo, I need specific sizes. This is 3/8, and this is what I've been using for a decade or two to cut my hair. And this is still holding up well. And then we have the Diane brand, which I believe these were Diane as well, because you can see they have the claw on the back. And these hold up for a decade or two as well. So I am the master of the attachment clips. So we're going to just go over these a little bit. And I'll put them on the top and you can see how they snap, crackle, and pop. Okay guys, so let's dive into the attachment clips. We're going to start with the Suprent. These come with it, obviously. These are solid. These have the metal latch, as you can see right here. And they snap on pretty good. No problem with these. They don't pinch the skin. You can see right there, we got the little, I guess, thumb, whatever, and that just pushes down when you do that, just to show you. But you just go from the top, it snaps on. Looks nice, good latch, solid. You can even hear it. Pretty good, right? Let's go on to the next one. Now this is the Wahl. And the Wahl is good, solid. I like these a lot. These just look like they're better quality than everything I've had. They're a little more costly, but they're worth it. So these have the same kind of guard on the bottom. They snap right on just like that. Right there. And we just push them right on. You hear the click, you hear the snap, and they're good. All right, all right. Come off nice and easy. Now we got the Speedo. Speedo are great universal. See how they have this little hook? That's why they call it the captain of the attachment clips. So this is great, but this is different. And you can't use them on any kind of clipper. You'd have to have a little gap here. You can't buy the cheap ones for $20 that aren't real clippers. They have to be real clippers like these guys. So what's going to happen is this is actually going to go in there, as you can see. And it grips on it, right? And then you just pull a little bit and it's already on, that easy. It's not coming off, it's because it's got the wraparound. These are solid. And I've seriously been using these for a decade or two. So they're really great. And I bought the new 3-pack. It comes with different sizes, so you can get a 3-pack, which is neat. And these are the Diane. Not to get confused with the Dirty Diana. Oh, the Michael Jackson tune, but they are white like Michael's glove. That's why I kind of like these as well. So these have a different kind of claw mechanism here, and you can see they go back and then they tighten. So again, you will need the slot right in there, which again, real clippers have them. The cheap $15, $20 ones don't, because you can't use attachment clips with them, So this goes in the groove in the little hole there, right? And then you just go up a little bit and it's already on, just like that. So I like these. These are solid. And you can see, everything sounds good and clean on all these. 83% by the way. They last forever. Still loving the LCD. So yeah, guys, so this is my review. These are the top ones. You can't go wrong with any of them. It's a matter of what size you need. And I need every size because I'm slicing and dicing. I'm the best barber of all the lands. I'm cutting people's hairs. I'm cutting people's eyebrows when they're not looking. You name it, I do it. So guys, I'll put a link in the description below again if you want to purchase these hair clippers and any attachment clips. Any questions, let me know, because I'm the best barber of the land. All right, all right.